So I'm going to call Miss Mamuna. She is present on the stage to share about her life. So start, Mamuna.
Good evening, sir and everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity. It is my pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Mamuna. I am 15 year old. I hail from Amroha and putting up
No need to
Ghaziabad.
tell the age, okay? No need to tell the age about when you going to speak about yourself at the time of interview or anywhere also. All right? Continue.
Okay. I hail from Amroha and putting up Ghaziabad. I study in 8th class. I study in 8th class. Study at Rajki Girls Inter College. My parents are the pillar of my strength. My hobbies book reading
आराम से
and
round लीजिए आराम से. Keep taking round actually.
book reading and drawing. And my goal is to become teacher. And I like song and dislike movie. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, now I'm calling Miss Sitara on the stage. Yes, hold it and start.
Good evening to everyone present here. My name is Sitara. My life journey is a very beautiful. My first parents, my mother, my teacher. I become to a doctor, and doctor is a very hardworking examination and hardworking study and others.
Yeah, medical profession is a very noble profession, especially as a doctor. Doctor has to be very responsible about his patients. Okay, so like this you may mention. Continue. Okay, thank you. That's all. Anybody wants to come? Yes, Mr.
First of all, I would like to thank for Mr. Praveen sir. They give to me a wonderful opportunity to speak on the stage for my life journey. My name is Shran Shishukarma. I was born in Prayagraj. In my childhood, I was very naughty and very intelligent. Whenever I was 3 years old, my mother admitted me at the local government school. My old teacher loved me a lot. My old teacher loved me a lot, and in my 5th class, my goal is to become a IAS officer. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Okay.